Hello. Hello from the meeting of a European project called EECONE. EECONE stands for European Ecosystem for Green Electronic. And this project, many variety of fields are represented. I am now speaking with Dr. Mani. He's scientist for sensor application and sensor system in a company called Silicon Austria Labs. And it's in Austria.
Yeah.
And he will speak about what we call a demonstrator or use case in this project.
Yeah.
He will speak about health monitoring devices employing point-of-care sensor. And I think he will explain us which sensor he means and why they will be greener.
Yeah. So hello. So in this project, we are aiming to develop health monitoring device like employing point-of-care sensors, especially aiming to monitor the glucose levels in diabetic patient and the ketone levels. So here, what we are going to develop is the biodegradable and biocompatible version of the sensors and the sensing systems. So here we are going to develop everything from the scratch using the especially biodegradable substrates, as well as the inks. We're gonna use printing technologies to develop these sensors, and we're gonna use a chip that is specially developed for the sensing applications by Infineon. So we're gonna use a sustainable packaging methods for packaging these chips. So here we're gonna develop two component patches, like a hybrid patch. One is chip patch and the sensor patch. So you can witness that the demand for these kind of sensors is overgrowing. So it is very important to have a biodegradable version of it, that can create a less impact on environment. So the sensors that are existing, they are like, for example, a diabetic patient should use at least 3 times, like if before meal and after meal, like 6 sensing patches. So now they are like plastic version of it now. So this is gonna create huge e-waste. So this is our main aim to reduce this e-wastage. So our main aim is to reduce 90% of e-waste to 90% of reduction in e-waste. So here we developed this sensor patch on a biodegradable substrate that gonna detect 3 different analytes. Like one is glucose, ketone, and pH. So this will be connected to the chip patch, and this chip patch will have the electronics, like the electronics and the printed antenna, and all the signal processing will be done on this chip patch. So this chip patch will directly does the measurements from the sensor patch and sends the result to the mobile phone, for example. Yeah.
It's very fascinating because we know that worldwide the diabetes is a big problem. So after that, you can make a big business out of it.
Hopefully, yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. So this project involves like multidisciplinary facets. So from the material development to material engineering, microelectronics development, and sustainability engineering. And so this use case is kind of immediate reflection of what this EECONE project is about.
Yeah, very fascinating about the diversity of the application. So, just a small question. You think you will have a result soon, in 1 year, in 2 years?
Yes, we are very close to the first demonstrator. So our aim is to have a mock-up demonstrator by the June next year. So in the next meeting, we'll have we are aiming to have the first demonstrator.
So this project will create a real product. Okay, I hope so.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, so good congratulations and good luck.
Thank you so much.